Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Mix, and today I'm going to do a short unboxing of the Butter CD. This is the cream version. I got it from soooo.ph and I'm quite excited because it's my first one. I'm going to do another unboxing of the BTS soon. So here's the pre-order benefit and here's the CD. Let's start na. I'll do the sugar way. Oops, wait, hold on. Alright, here's the CD box. It has the photo book, call it a photo stand, a lyric card. Here's Butter and Permission to Dance. Sticker, the CD, and let us check. Oops, I'm gonna put that inside the 1C spoilers. So this is the photo book. Group photo. Pogi. Actually, I bought the CD because of the photos. Jungkook, Taeji, and Namjoon's Hobby. I really love the photos of Butter, so even if I didn't really had the plan of buying 1A, I just bought it. Because look at him. So handsome. He takes my breath away. Tusok. Bias Wrecker. Oh my goodness. Wish you can hear what I'm saying right now, but because it's so noisy outside and I cannot do anything about it. The baby boy. Cute. Jiminshi. Hot niya. Yes, balls. I love this unit. And Tay, our bias wrecker. Everyone's our bias wrecker. Pogi. This concept fits him really well. And of course, our leader. This concept also fits him very well. And these days, he's really my bias wrecker. I mean, both of them. They have to fight for that position. Oh, the criminals who stole our hearts. J-Hope, Jiminshi. Yes. Of course, my beloved #1 criminal, Mr. Kim Seok-jin. And of course, our baby criminal, who's no longer a baby but still a baby for us, and our leader, Pogi. Oh my god. And then of course our sugar babes. Taeyong. Yan. Oh my god. Pakihuli please. Of course, the whole gang. And the thank yous. Okay, I'm so excited on the photo card. Okay. Oh my god. Wait. I think I know who. But this is the like a Polaroid of the group Weverse thing. I got Jungkookie. Oh, it's my first time to pull Jungkook. Oh my goodness, look at him. Cute. I look for the translations later. And dun dun dun. Oh my god, Jin. Oh my god. 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 Okay, so, well, I asked Karen to give me Jin if it's possible. But she cannot assure it, of course, so. Oh, I also got Jin. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so happy. This is the photo card that I really want to get. Oh my god. Bias school. So lucky. Okay, so I have Cutie Jin. I have semi-serious Jin and baby Jungkookie. For me, he's always a baby. So yeah. I'm so lucky. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm hoping to pull Jin again on the other album, but it's okay. It's not him. Any member will do. But this is my main goal. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!